Welcome to Jira Bakery. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to create an issue type in Jira project. To create an issue type, you have to have an admin privilege. So let's go and create the issue type. Go to the project settings and you will be navigated to the project details page. And click on the summary section. And in the summary page, click on issue type scheme. In the issue type scheme page, click on the actions button and edit issue types. And in the edit issue types page, click on the add issue type and give a name to the issue type. For example, in our example, let's go with demo and give the description of the issue type. For now, let's go with the standard issue type. I'm going to explain what is subtask issue type in later videos and click add. And if you notice, the new issue type that what we have created is added in the current issue types in the project. Please remember to save the issue type. Now if you see, the newly created demo issue type is added in the list. Let's go and click the summary page. And you can see the demo newly added issue type demo added in the project test project for demos. The new issue type is added. If you'd like to know what is an issue type, I have created a video and I'm going to give the link in the description. Please feel free to watch it. With that, we have created an issue type, and in my next video I'm going to explain how to create a workflow, because each issue type will have its own workflow. For example, let me click on the newly created issue type demo. If I click on it, it has a workflow. This is the system default workflow that we have. We can customize it based on our need. So in my next video, I'm going to explain how to create a workflow and how we are going to associate the workflow with the issue type. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Jira Bakery.